So I came outside to start my car today, and I'm not sure if the heat had anything to do with it. I live in San Antonio, Texas, so I think the temperature today got to about 105, probably in the car, probably 175 if I had to guess. But when I come out to start my car, right, it turns, all the lights come on, and then, of course, the CID is because I put some LEDs on the front of the car. And then I go to start it. Let's do it again. Just a single click. I also have no... The steering column is completely stiff. I'm not sure if that's normal. I haven't actually noticed that before, but any help on this matter would be appreciated. Thank you guys. You guys have always been awesome.